In terms of YouTube Shorts, the game has just changed. Suppose you're a YouTube Short creator like me. In that case, you probably felt some of the growing pains in the platform, mainly talking about YouTube Short custom thumbnail issues. This has been an issue up until now. Before, you could only apply custom thumbnails if you had an Android mobile device. Now, you can do the same thing on your iPhone. So no more uploading your shorts and praying to the YouTube gods they don't pick an awkward frame in the video, resulting mostly in lower performances on your YouTube Shorts. So, the question is, how do you select a custom thumbnail when you can only select a single frame from your YouTube Short? The answer is pretty straightforward. While editing your video, at some point, you need to add something enticing for your viewers. Then in the YouTube app on your iPhone, select the desired frame by choosing the icon on the bottom of your screen. Then click the Create a Short option. Choose your video from your camera roll. Keep going through the setup process until you get to the Add Details page. Here the pen icon will show in the upper left hand side of the screen. Scrub until you find your desired frame. And just like that, you have a custom thumbnail without any hacks. If you've gone through this entire process and the pen icon isn't there, ensure that your iOS and YouTube app are up to date. And if you found this video helpful in any way, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss another video. And don't forget to always keep smiling.